We go. Oh, we have our date up, December 28th, which means 3 days only after Christmas. Seems like it was a long time ago.
Doing what? What's he
So
saying?
this is Sunday.
Say that again.
And this is what?
She's dead.
Daddy does what?
I need you to get me a drink.
Daddy do
Horse
what?
needs a drink, Amanda.
Dr. Eddie is giving needles.
Oh, the horsey, get the horsey a drink. Get her
Your turn, my turn.
Get her a pan of pizza. The horsey's hungry.
I'm getting a close-up of Eddie's face. Talk, Eddie. Say, cheesers. Say it again. Say, Eddie Quinn is cute. Say, Eddie Quinn.
I need a drink of water. I'll be right back.
Hold on.
Let you get down? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay.
And here we are playing with after Christmas toys. Oh, we have a slew of them. We have plenty. Eddie, what are you doing over there? What are you building?
I need a couple of apple juice. I need apple juice, Mommy.
You're going to need it on another cup because your one cup is in the dishwasher.
Well, it's all clean.
Hey, where's the hammer? Hang up your hammer.
What are you doing? Are you building something?
No,
You're not?
no,
Are you going to?
no,
What will you build?
no.
Build no-nos? You silly. What are you going to build? Why do you have a needle? Stop talking baby talk. This camera knows you can talk big boy talk. He's being silly. Put it out before you get in trouble. There's Daddy. He likes to be on camera.
Here's your hammer. Hang your hammer up here.
All right, here comes Jenna. Here comes Amanda. Go over that way.
I'm looking at it.
I know you are.
That one?
All right, Jen, give Amanda another horsey ride.
Hi, man. Hop board. Put your drink down.
Oh my goodness, she's got a special water drink in a special container. Here she goes, hopping on. Whoop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's like a pony ride. Go, nay, Jen. Say, giddy up. Uh-oh. What do you have? What?
Horsey dumped off the ride.
What is it? Uh-oh. Ran out of steam. Are you going to build, Eddie?
Here you go.
I'm done.
Huh?
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
Thanks. I'll turn it.
There's Jen having a good time with the tool set. Jen just got her hair cut, as you cannot tell. Oh, there it is. Luscious locks. Oh, it's nice and even now.
No.
Mom had cut it crooked before.
Let the camera know.
I don't care. You don't do that. You hear me?
Come here. Well, where are we going? What do you want? Juice.
Jenna, come here. I want juice.
Special cup?
No.
With water. With just water. Won't hurt. Well, there's Jenna in the window. There's our new stash of toys. We have to have every corner filled with toys. There's coats not hung up. Toys, toys, toys. Pizza. Car garage.
Go get the Christmas cake a second. Don't run, slow down, don't push him. What you got there, big stuff? Say water in a cup. is it? Tip it up.
I can't.
You can't get any?
No.
You have to suck it. You gotta go like a baba. Suck.
Don't remind him, Baba.
There you go. Suck with your lips.
Don't remind
Try it
him,
again. Try it
Baba. He might want
I
one.
like it.
You like it?
Gotta go.
I don't feel any water coming out.
Tip it up. Did you put some?
No.
What are you building,
Yes,
Ed?
use it.
What are you building? A house. Who told you to say that?
Telephone for you.
I'm making it.
You're making it. Somebody got a sticker.
That's from
Eddie, it's Pop Pop. He wants to talk to you. You're making it. Me and Eddie, Pop Pop wants to talk to you.
Hello. Oh.
You calling him up?
Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa. How you feeling? Goodbye. Everything
It's your turn, Eddie. Your turn to talk to Pop Pop.
Did you get water? You got water when you did that? Here, hold on.
You can't get it like that. So
Hold on. Are you ready? Suck. Did you drink some? Okay.
a little bit of snow outside. Our first winter snowstorm.
It must have squirted it right down his belly.
Not much
I
snow.
like it.
You like it?
No.
Don't.
I like it. Also,
Hold me?
no, waterfall.
Amanda drinking hers?
we're on the table.
I like it.
Eddie, telephone. Talk to Pop Pop.
No.
Grandma? Hello, Grandma. Eddie doesn't want to talk now.
How about Amanda give Eddie a hug?
Want to talk?
I'm gonna talk.
Give Eddie a hug, Amanda, so that I have it on video. Eddie, give Amanda a hug.
Okay.
He's in no mood. Go give Jenna a hug, somebody.
More huggies.
Can I say?
Eddie,
Don't let her touch
more
you.
hugs, Ed.
Ugh.
More hugs, Ed.
He's gonna
Amanda, can I have a hug from you?
Yes.
Yes! Ooh!
Here,
I'll
baby
squeeze
Eddie.
you on the neck.
Is Jenna precious?
Tell me.
Sniffy bee.
Did Amanda say Jenna can fix the necklace because she's precious?
He said, I'm not a baby.
What?
I said, you want me to feed baby Eddie? And he said, I'm not a... Want me to feed baby Eddie?
No.
Why?
Why? Are you not a baby?
No.
Who's a big boy? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're a big boy.
Flying into the sky. Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, this video's up.
I'm sick.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Everybody say bye-bye for
Can I
today.
just say?
Say bye-bye for
Can
today.
I say, Mommy? That is still there.
And Eddie and Jenna saying bye-bye. Now you have to go over and say bye-bye real quick. How come I didn't get a chance to say
Yeah,
bye-bye?
you can say bye-bye. Turn the camera around, face you, and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, bye-bye. Okay.
Mom.
All right.